In this video, I'm going to explain exactly what you need to do to make your videos go viral on TikTok. And I know this because I work with lots of different businesses and I create their viral TikTok content. So I'm going to show you real life TikTok case studies from the businesses that I'm working with, and I'm going to share with you step by step the type of content you need to be posting on TikTok. Oh, and stick around to the end because I'm going to show you my own TikTok profile and how a lot of videos on there have gone viral, but we'll be talking about this specific video which has gotten over 340,000 views. So there's no gatekeeping in this video. I'm going to share everything I know with you about how to make your videos go viral on TikTok. So let's just get into it. So let's start with this TikTok case study. And this is a brand that I'm working with. They're a university or a college. If you say college in your own country, they're based in Melbourne. And the goal for their TikTok profile, or one of their goals, is that they want to encourage international students, so students that are not living in Australia, to come and study on their campus in Melbourne. So let's just take a look and see how many followers they have at the moment. And now, can you guess how many views this video got? Well, at the time of filming this video, it's gotten 1.8 million views. Huge, right? I mean, totally viral on TikTok. Now, I want to break it down exactly what we did to make this video go viral. So my video editor is going to hate this, but I'm going to play parts of the video and then we can talk through and I'll explain to you. So if we watch the start of the video, let's play the first few seconds.
As an international student here in Melbourne, Australia, it is in my bucket list to see kangaroos and koalas up close.
What do you notice? Yes, there's a cute kangaroo, but what else? There's that text on screen. Every viral video has an opening hook and it needs to be really engaging. So the opening hook for this video, well, there's a couple of things actually. So for this video, it's how to see kangaroos, koalas. It's really engaging, it gets the person's attention and makes them want to watch the TikTok video. But there's something else. In the first frame, you can see the kangaroo. So we've used two things to hook the viewer at the start of this TikTok video. Now, when I first saw this video, it didn't actually have the kangaroo at the start of the TikTok video. So we actually changed the clip around and made sure that that kangaroo appeared at the start because it's a lot more engaging, right? We want people to want to watch the TikTok video. Okay, so let's play a little bit more of the TikTok video.
And today, we are ticking that off because here in Moonlit Sanctuary, I get to see them and feed them. The best thing about this place is that the animals get to walk around, and if they like you enough, they can come to you and you can feed them and pet them.
And so what you would notice in the TikTok video is that there's a lot of quick cuts. So they've filmed a lot of little videos and then they've stitched it together. And this is a really powerful way to get someone to watch your TikTok video right until the end. And the algorithm on TikTok loves when you do that. Also, it's a voiceover video. So she's talking as the video is playing. Now I'm going to give you a pro tip here. If you are doing a voiceover video, you might want to consider using subtitles, especially since this video is targeting international students. English is not their first language, so we wanted to make sure that we're using subtitles. So just consider that as well if subtitles make sense for your video if you're doing a voiceover on TikTok. Now the next part of this TikTok framework is the social media caption at the bottom there. So you see that text there. So the social media caption that we used was, how cute are these animals? So we're asking a question, and if the viewer sees this on TikTok, they're watching the video and they read that caption, it's really engaging, right? It makes you want to watch this TikTok video. So just by talking through this TikTok case study, you've already learned 4 key things that you can include in your own TikTok video to go viral. So we spoke about the opening hook, stitching raw videos together, also how important the caption is for the TikTok caption, and also using subtitles for the voiceover. Oh, and for all those people that have been reaching out about the TikTok masterclass, I've created a wait list. So if you're one of those people, you can add your details to the wait list below. And once a spot opens up, I'll let you know and you can start growing your brand on TikTok. So the next TikTok case study that you really need to be across is for a travel brand, and they're called Luxury Escapes. Now they want to connect with people that are looking to book a holiday on TikTok. And so I want to show you this video here, but before I do, let's just have a look at how many followers that they have. And now let's have a look at this video.
I'm on your For You page because you have to get to Bali, and when you get there, there are 3 things you have.
This video got over 270,000 views. That is a huge percentage increase from the follower count to the number of views that they got on this video. And I'm going to talk you through step by step exactly why that happened. Okay, so let's play the start of the video.
Your For You page because you have to get to Bali, and when you get there, there are 3 things you have to do.
Number 3, Penny Lane. I'm convinced that this is the most gorgeous.
So what do you notice? The opening hook, right? So the opening hook that this person uses is, I'm on your For You page because you have to get to Bali. And when you get there, there's 3 things you have to do. It's really engaging, right? And now if we play more of the video.
3, Penny Lane. I'm convinced that this is the most gorgeous restaurant in Bali to sit back and relax whilst enjoying delicious cocktails, burgers or sharing plates. Number 2, Bodyworks Bali is the most gorgeous day spa I've been to yet. Not only is it amazing for massages and beauty treatments, but it makes for a gorgeous backdrop for all of those Instagram worthy moments too. And finally, number 1, Finn's Beach Club is a must for all day parties, sunset drinks or even a family day out with 4 pools, 9 bars, 2 swim up bars and live music and DJs every day.
What you will notice is that she's revealing 3 things that you have to do in Bali. Now I want to call out something really important, and I see a lot of people make this mistake on TikTok all the time. If you're ever sharing a top list, make sure you count down. So just like with this video here, and I think that this is the reason why it has done extremely well, we started with number 3, then number 2, and then right at the end we reveal number 1. And if you just think about it from like basic psychology, that we all want to know what number 1 is. So make sure that you do that on TikTok. If you are sharing something like that, always count down on TikTok, and that's going to help your videos go viral because it's going to encourage people to watch your videos right until the end. Now let's have a look at the TikTok caption as well, and you've got to give this some thought because I see a lot of people just come up with these random captions, and you really want to use it as a way to hook the viewer on TikTok. So if we have a look at this caption, it is, number 1 is my absolute favorite. You can steal that and use that in your own TikTok videos. Let's say that you're a sleep coach. Maybe you want to count down the top 3 things that you need to do to have a good night's sleep. And then you say in the caption, and number 1 is my favorite. Another thing that you need to be aware of with these type of TikTok videos, which perform really well on TikTok, can you see that flag at the bottom there? So that means how many people have actually saved this video. And that is a really good sign for you to monitor how good your videos are performing on TikTok. So with informative videos like this or top lists, which you can do yourself on TikTok, we can see how many people are saving the video. And when people are saving your TikToks, it is telling the TikTok algorithm that your video is worth sharing to more and more people. And that's how you can go viral on TikTok. Before we move on to the next TikTok case study, I just want to make sure that if you are counting down, make sure you use numbers on the screen because that just reinforces the countdown as well, just like you can see, just like we've done in this TikTok video. Let me show you my TikTok profile because I know that you might be thinking, well, these are really big brands, and I'm going to show you how you can grow a smaller brand or even your own personal profile on TikTok. So this is my TikTok profile. I don't have a huge amount of followers, but I'm really happy with the content that I share. You can also see this video here. This video got 340,000 views. Now I want to explain exactly why this video went viral. So firstly, I'm really relaxed in the video, and this is something that takes a little bit of time with talking to a camera and thinking like you're talking to a friend. So before I actually filmed this video, and I'll play it in 1 second, I actually said to myself, I'm just gonna imagine that I'm just talking to a friend. Like, how would I talk to a friend? So let's just play the video.
I'm searching for content creators for a travel brand. You can be based anywhere in the world. Basically, you might be sent to different destinations, which is amazing.
I come across pretty natural, right? Also, what will you notice? Text on screen at the start. So that grabs the viewer's attention. So that's the hook. Another key thing is having the right hashtags. So if we have a look at the hashtags for this video, we can see that there's a lot of hashtags about content creators. So the video is about content creators, and I'm searching for content creators for a travel brand. So give your hashtags some thought and make sure that they really relate to your video, because that's going to help you really grow organically on TikTok. And it means that your videos have a better chance to appear in the top position of TikTok, just like this video does. So let me show you exactly what I mean. So see all the hashtags at the bottom there? Let's click on content creator and we'll see all the top videos there. And if we scroll down a little bit, what do you see? That is your goal with hashtags. You want to be choosing hashtags that really help you to appear in these top positions, because once you do, your video will go viral on TikTok. If you want some more information about hashtags, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to do a video on how to select hashtags like this so that you can get more views on your videos. So with all these TikTok videos that I shared, I don't know why I keep flinging this around, sorry. I'll leave the links below in the description so you can watch them. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. If you've got any questions, let me know and I'll see you next time.